Alright, this video is going to be the first video in the FinAI tab over here in the app. This video is going to go over simple automations, which technically isn't really anything to do with FinAI. It'll be on this FinAI agent tab. But in Intercom, if you go to the FinAI agent, the simple automations is inside of the FinAI tab. So I guess I'll just put it there. This is a very simple version of workflows. Workflows is far more advanced, but workflows are, since I'm on an advanced trial, or I'm on the advanced plan for this trial, this will be not available to you if you're on the essentials plan. And I guess the next video will be covering, I don't know if it'll be workflows next or these, but I'll see what makes the most sense and go that route. But for now, we'll do simple automations. So this is really all they give you when a user sends a message, their first message, or when a conversation with the user is closed. You could ask for a CSAT score. That's like a customer satisfaction kind of thing. I don't think the majority of us will be caring about this unless we white label it, which I don't think the majority of us will be white labeling support. So when users send their first message, you can leave a 2-minute delay. If it's after office hours, and you just click office hours to get to, hey, that's weird. That must be like an invalid link or something. But here, if you go to settings and office hours over here, you can set office hours for, I set mine 10 to 4. Reply times, you can do the custom reply time too. That's what this applies to all conversations in your workspace. If a customer starts a conversation during office hours, they'll see your typical response time. And then you can do Teams, of course. Let me exit this. Okay. So that being said, let's get back to the FinAI agent tab. Go to simple automations. Let's do this. If you click that, that'll just go to the workflows. Build a form. This is off right now. Get context about issues up front. So this is where you could have some, instead of custom data attributes on a person, you can also do custom data attributes on conversations themselves. So that's what we're going to put in here. Let's go make those. I think there's 3 default ones. Go to settings that they want you to use. Data. There's custom objects too. I'll have to make a video on that as well. So these are conversation custom data attributes. So the ones they want you to start with are type, product area, urgency. So the type they pre-filled in for you. So you got your data types here of what they could be. References. Okay, so references test. So the reference is actually for custom data, what we just talked about, custom objects, because I made a custom object test. But we'll leave it, everything how they set it. So type. Description is type of the conversation, visible only for conversations. I guess if you had Teams, you could make it required. And here's the options. You could add more. Question, yeah, bug, feature request. I guess you could add review or something, whatever. We'll just stick with the basics for now. Okay, that was created. Product area. They went ahead and did that all for us. I suppose the best way would be to simply make these all areas. Looks like I got some apps in here, but just ignore those. You could make a product area for each and every one of these tabs, and potentially some stuff in settings too. Okay, but for the sake of time, we'll just leave these base 3, but no, I'll just change this to, say, dashboard, sites. It's not called inbox, it's called, we'll do calendars and contacts. Calendars, contacts. Save it. Urgency. So how urgent this question is, or conversation you would say. So it looks like their base pre-filled stuff is good. I wonder why it didn't make the, maybe if I navigate back. There we go. So those are the base ones that Intercom recommended. We'll just keep that for now for the sake of this video. And speed, let's go to simple, let's go back here. So now we can, so these are all those custom data attributes that we did. You can do it off of those, but now we're gonna go to conversation data type, product area, and urgency. Triage conversations based on how customers respond. If user sends messages instead of filling out the form, or if they simply don't complete the form within 3 minutes, then this task bot will be skipped. To route and prioritize conversations, automatically set up rules for each data value in your form. So if, okay, got you. Interesting. That's cool. View a checklist, received a checklist. But we can get back down to our conversation data once again. So if this, you're gonna, let's say type is one of the things we just said, then you can assign it to probably a team, teammates, or teams. You could, yep, do your tags. That's for filtering later on. Mark as priority, tag conversation, mark as priority. So I guess a good one would be add data. We'll do urgency is high. We will mark as priority. So that's kind of what this is. Cool, I like it. We'll save, or rather turn on. And it looks like we have it all set up. This is the simple pre-built, not pre-built, but we just built it. So we'll refresh. Let's see if it pops up right away. Let's send a message. Cool. Share some context to help the team respond better and faster. Get help faster. Type. We have a question. In calendars. High. So it should be prioritied. Cool, I like it. And that's only going to get more complicated in workflows. And with complexity does come. Anyway, that's another video. So that's, in a nutshell, is simple automations, I think. Let's go make sure that this conversation was marked as priority. Make sure we're good. Go to all. test, and it's marked. You see a little star right there. Boom. We have it as priority. That's pretty cool. I like it. That'll be all for this video.